Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna learn how to track a ball in After Effects. So without any wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, here I have a video of throwing a ball. Like the ball is here and going into the bucket. So I want to track this ball. So we're gonna do now is go to pen tool and draw one shape like this. So here is no shape will be drawn because we have selected this layer. Control Z, unselect this layer again. Now we gonna draw like this. I'm going to draw a tracker shape and press okay with it. Now one thing I want to do, change the anchor point and press the anchor point somehow here, and now okay, press V again to get a selection tool. Now place it out of the video and now double click on the video and go to tracker option. We will find this tracker option in the right side of the After Effects. So if you don't find this tracker option, go to Windows and on this tracker option and you will see the tracker option here. So after opening the tracker, go to track motion and we will get a tracker point 1. In this, the plus sign is the tracking point and the bigger one square is how much movement is the ball is the plus sign do. So now I wanna track my ball from so wait a while. I want to track my ball from here, so I will place the tracking point here on a yellowish side and go to next frame to check if it is working properly. Now again now here we will correct it like this. Again next okay, again now go again okay. So after that I want to track these path only, so I will track it only this path. After that click on apply only X and Y axis only and press it okay. So you can see that like this. You can see the anchor point is on the ball of the shape. Let me click okay. So 1 minute. So we have moved our anchor point of a shape because I wanna track the ball from little bit height. So we're gonna change the anchor point. So I have changed. Now you can see the ball is visible here and the tracker point is going to track it. You can also resize the tracker also like this. If you want to add a glow effect, you can also add a glow effect. Go to effect and here we will find a glow. So we will apply a glow effect here. So glow radius will be 30 and the glow intensity should be 10. So it will appears like so. We have a ball tracking. Now one thing again, this point is not disappearing after the ball goes in the bucket. So here we will do one thing, add a keyframe of opacity. Go to properties of the shape layer 1 and again now from here I want that opacity will be 100. Now here the opacity will 0. Now again let's check it. So it is disappearing automatically. So guys, in this video we have learned how to track a ball. So at the last, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon to get notifications about our videos, and don't forget to like. And once again, thanks for watching our video.